guys, welcome to another video. Now I have had a delivery. I have got a new head unit for the JZX90. I'm seriously pumped on it. It's an, I don't even know how you pronounce that, ATOTO. So it is a full navigation Android style head unit, which I want. The S13, it's also got JZX90, it's also got navigation. Comes with a bunch of wiring, Jesus. See what I can find here. Looks like it's got like a protection screen, that's cool. So it's an S8 Gen 2. Again, not 100% sure what that means. Warranty. Where's the actual head unit here? Alright, found it. So, oh wow, it's small. Oh, it's super thin. What the heck? I haven't done a head unit in years, guys. So, I do have a double DIN head unit, and what I also got for JZX90 is a dash cam. So, today I'm going to spend some time on getting this stuff installed. So, yeah, that means me wiring. I'm terrified. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't. But I'm going to head down to one of the auto stores that I usually frequent right now. Go buy more wiring stuff. I obviously want this to be safe. I don't want this car catching on fire. It is a daily driver. But I want to try and get this done, and then we're heading out to Queensland Raceway tonight for drifting. And I think I'm actually going to take the JZX90. Alright, I'm home. I've got a whole bunch of stuff, like new connectors, some actual proper electrical tools, some new proper shrink wrap stuff, and then I needed a fuse for the amp wire. Now I'm going to start pulling all this apart, and I'm scared, only because it's all new and it's got good clips and stuff, but it should be relatively simple. I feel like that should come out. Anyway, I'm going to start cracking this off and pull out the old head unit and see where we're at. Okay, that was like 2 seconds later. Old head unit is out. It's basically my wiring setup here. Doesn't seem too crazy, I guess. I assume all these blue ones don't really need to be connected. I don't understand so steering wheel, I don't know why that ever would have been connected. And these are all just as dodgy as I am. So, oh wait, are they factory labeled? No way. I think these might be factory labeled, which if they are, that's amazing. That is going to make my life way easier. Okay, let's try and work it out. I'm going to grab the other head unit and unbox some of this other stuff and see where we're at. Alright, I ended up getting sidetracked, but got super stuck in and mounted my sub. So fully mounted in here with brackets and another bracket up the top. So no more sub flying around the boot, which obviously I'm pretty happy about. So I can close up the boot now and get on to doing the rest of the install. I just I remembered I need to do that boot, so I just got carried away with it. And yeah, now I got the fun part of, yeah, I don't even know about really touching that yet. I might leave that, but we can definitely get started on the ATOTO head unit. So there we go. All right, guys, I know you love seeing him. Princey's here.
What's going on?
Yeah, saved the day. I was getting extremely mad and upset. And what time is it?
I don't even know.
It's like it's a time. Yeah, I should have left already. So I'm heading out to Queensland Raceway with this car tonight. This is the leftover mess, but guys, we've got the ATOTO all hooked up. So I have navigation in the JZX90 now. I have an aerial there for internet. I have the GPS there. I have other ones going into my glove box, and then I also have the dash cam. The dash cam I haven't quite been able to hook up yet because I have to download some extra stuff. So that still needs to happen. But other than that, pretty good. Everything's sort of gone in really well. The sound is amazing on it. The screen, even Princey was super surprised like how good the screen was. The screen is phenomenal on this. I can actually go out of this and go into YouTube, for instance, and let's just go to my videos so it doesn't copyright me. Let's just say jump drift. Oh, that's like bad quality on the bloody my upload at the moment. Here we go, I do it and it's pixelated. It's bloody, the internet's not keeping up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, seriously.
It's been sick the whole time.
Yeah, see, it's on 144p. Here we go, 1080. Let's see if it works now, guys. Here we go, clear as. Oh, dude, so rad that this thing works. So amazing. Got my sub all rehooked up again. Everything is just working amazingly perfect, except for my speaker over there. And that's got like nothing to do with the head unit. Pardon? The
head unit's like this.
Oh, it is. It's crazy how thin it is. And then all the stuff it came with to fit it actually worked amazing. Like, it actually fits in there super nice. When I originally put it in, there was like a little gap, and then I ended up working out that they had these extra pieces in there to fill the gaps. And just like overall really happy with the ATOTO head unit so far. I'll update you guys in the near future when I get the dash cam working. I do have a memory card in there now, so it should be working, but I will be able to hook it up to the screen soon, and I'll be able to hook up a reverse camera, which I will be doing on this car because you guys know how bad I am at reversing. Anyway, let's get our shit together and head out to Queensland Raceway. All right, I've gone ahead and somewhat prepped it. The tyre's definitely not too bad. There's definitely poke, but it's not crazy. Like, I think I'll still get picked on if they were to be picky, but I think I'll, for the most part, get away with it. I'm gonna go have a shower and get ready for the track. Alright guys, we're heading out onto the track. It is very, 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 very wet. I'm hoping that the dippers aren't full of water. I'm not even sure how I'm going to film this. Oh yeah, see, I'm already aquaplaning straight up. We'll see how we go. There's already, I can see a car bogged. 3 to 6, I think there's a car being recovered over there. So she'll be a slow night. Won't get a lot of laps, but we'll still see what we can sneak in before yeah, I'm just more than anything, these dippers fill up with water real bad, so I'm hoping they don't. Put on one of my other what do you call it, stands, and yeah. Oh shit, oh no, there we go. How slippery it is. Ready? Watch my... Wow. Alright, here we go. I'm going to try and film my run. I'm going to put the camera down for an entry. So I'm trying to film, guys. Bit of one-handed action. Big pedal. Trying my best here. It's all one-handed action. That was a bit hard filming one-handed drifting there. I think probably the best thing is still got my aircon running, just cruising along, having a bloody good time. This is excellent. I'll no doubt have someone come and pass. So I didn't even tell anybody I was coming out tonight, pretty much other than my missus and Macca. So yeah, we'll just keep cruising around for a little bit until the car says it's hot, which it might do soon just because I've got the aircon running. Oh yeah, we're gonna get through. So see if we'll go for a little chase with Brugmans. I suspect that he's let his tyre pressures down, so we'll see if we can keep up. We'll give it a go. So my side skirt is laying over there. They're still letting fucking cars go. All right, back out on track now. Drop the pressures down a bit and put a bunch of self-tappers in my side skirt. So hopefully we don't lose them again. So big thanks to Macca for the self-tappers. Go hit some laps. Said and done, the rain came down like crazy. Even undercover here is flooded, so they have cancelled the event. So yeah, I had some fun anyway. JZX90 is working absolutely flawlessly now. Had the aircon on the whole time. As soon as I hit 15% throttle, the aircon turns off. That worked perfectly. The lock's working perfectly now. It's not rubbing anything. Super, super pumped on the JZX90. Really happy with what we did to the car today, and really happy we got out here for a skid. Unfortunately, it got cancelled not even halfway through, so we'll see what happens there. All right, we're back here at the track now. As you can see behind me, sad times. Tiana's S13.4 is going. I know you guys want to see more of it in the channel, but Z's work fine for what we need, so yeah. Enjoy.
Good fun.
Yeah. As a couple of Chop and Ricky's roll back in after shenanigans into the drift park. Thanks, guys. So yeah, she's going. But I'm sure I'll get an opportunity in the future to put more tire marks on the door once you get up to speed.
Yeah, yeah. We'll be out. We'll be using it.
Or if you're not up to speed, I'll push you.
Push me
I'll
around.
push you more.
Push me around, yeah.
It's better when you're up to speed and it's just little taps. You'll have to get Tiana to teach you.
We'll come down and do some days.
Yeah.
Sick.